Hello, welcome to Virgo, Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makuha po lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate sa mga sinasabi ko, okay lang yan. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. So, sinashuffle ko lang tong cards. Sana makuha ko yung energy mo. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Ito yung main energy mo. The Page of Wands. Clarify natin to what's with the Page of Wands. Page of Wands is clarified by the Six of Cups at saka El Impicato. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, nakita tayo ng communication dito or connection. And the Six of Cups. This is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Nakakita tayo dito ng connection with a person na pwedeng either ikaw yung naghihintay or itong person na to is waiting with the El Impicato. Basta nakakita ko ng connection with you and a particular person. Pero nakikita natin isa sa inyo naghihintay dito sa connection na ito. Pero it's like yung isa is natatakot or maybe there's things na parang hindi pa siya sigurado. So, kung sino man yung hindi pa hindi pa nagbibigay sa connection na to, meron pa siyang kinakatakutan or maybe meron siyang childhood traumas or fears or maybe regarding to sa shadow side niya or maybe there's something na may kinalaman sa child or yun nga, yung kabataan niya mismo na nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi pa siya sumasama or hindi pa siya gumagawa ng action. But I can see communication. Who is this person that you're dealing with? Pagdating sa love, person nakakonect mo, Virgo. Queen of Cups is here. This is a very loving person. Nakita tayo dito ng Libra energy with the Justicia. And the Queen of Cups, I feel like itong person na ito really do likes you a lot. Gustong gusto ka niya. And maybe even love. Kasi yung iba sobrang deep ng emotion na nakuha natin dito. Tapos, meron tayo dito with the El Guidicio. Marami siyang natutunan, nalaman, at na-realize dito sa connection ninyo. And, yeah, this person wants commitment for the both of you. Relasyon, sabihin na natin ganun. Yeah, Page of Cups is here. Gusto niyang ibigay ito sa'yo, like, or this person wants to give you all the love na kaya niyang ibigay because meron talaga and gusto niya talagang ibigay din. Kaya lang, are you willing to accept and willing ka din bang ibigay yung emotions mo para sa person na to kasi siya, willing siya, gusto niya. Gusto nga niya ng commitment eh. Ayan, gusto niya i-present sa'yo ito. By the way, if you don't like the way I read, pwede ka namang umalis, mag-leave dito sa video na to, mag-next video. And, sana mag-comment ka dyan sa baba, kahit heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin, guys. Ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa ng taong to? Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Okay, emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. The Three of Wands is here. And La Torre. I feel like you miss someone in the past. Or, yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, there's something na nag-end and parang you don't want this thing to end. Tapos, namimiss mo yung bagay, maybe this is a person in the past na namimiss mo. And the Ten of Wands is here. And the Ten of Cups. Kung nahihirapan ka, maybe because kaya ka nag-leave or kaya nawala yung nagkaroon ng ending because of yung iba family or yung iba responsibilidad. Kaya parang walang choice kundi i-end or mag-live doon sa situation na yun. Pero I feel like you missed something in the past. Okay. Or someone in the past. Ano yung emotion nitong taong ito sa'yo? For Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising. Four of Cups is here. So, I feel like itong person na to, wala siyang pakialam sa ibang choices. Iba-iba yung nakukuha kong energy, guys. Some of you, this person, parang hindi na siya sigurado sa relationship if there's another relationship na involved. Or hindi na siya sigurado sa other choices or options sa buhay niya. And yung iba sa inyo, itong person na to is hindi niya sigurado kung magkakaroon ng commitment or relationship sa inyo. Pero gusto niya. So, pwedeng nalulungkot siya with the 5 of Cups. 5 of Coins, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Kasi with the 4 of Blades, pwedeng hindi siya sigurado kung tatanggapin or magugustuhan mo ba siya. Or kung gusto mo siya. Ganun. Hindi siya sigurado kung gusto mo siya. Pero gusto niya ng commitment sa inyong dalawa. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. King of Wands is here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, 4 of Blades. In the near future, Gliamanti is here. Okay. 2 of Cups, 3 of Cups, 10 of Wands. In the near future, ikaw ang dapat tanungin dito eh. Okay ka na ba kasi? Kasi with the King of Wands, I feel like you have the choice. You are the one na nagli-lead dito sa connection na to. Kung saan siya tutungo or ano magiging future niya. Nasa sa'yo yun. 4 of Blades is here. It feels like some of you need to accept things na nangyari sa buhay mo and learn to, focus on the new beginnings, focus on what is here and dito sa moment na to, ano yung meron. You need to focus on that. Gliamanti, yung person na kakonect mo is gusto niya na relationship, like in friendship, relationship. Gusto niya makipagkita sa'yo, reconcile sa'yo. Pero with the 2 of Coins, alanganin siya kung ano ba yung magiging estado ng connection ninyo. 10 of Wands, nandun yung willing siyang ibigay lahat, but nag-aalangan siya kung baka wala siya mapala. And the Il Diavolo is here. So, I think there's something here na nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi pa nagkakaroon ng pagbabago sa connection na ito. And some of you, there's another person or another, this is competition, connection pa with someone. Either ito ay nasa present moment or nasa past. So, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you still can't move on from the past. Yung iba naman sa inyo, maybe you are still in a relationship with someone na parang itinatali mo yung sarili mo sa bagay na nagpapahirap naman sa'yo. So, nasa yun. But this person is willing siyang ibigay lahat kung hahayaan mo or tatanggapin mo lahat ng willing niyang ibigay sa'yo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.